Okay, you guys, so I just worked out and I am going to be doing a hair treatment and also a hair repair. So I'm going to use all 3 of these. This is just the brush stimulator. Let me show you. So all of the products are from Aveda. Aveda sent these over to me to go ahead and try and tell you guys how they work. Oh, some of the bristles are crooked. Oh, okay, that's okay. So I got this, and this goes with this, the scalp solutions. You guys know this is nothing new on my channel. I have dry scalp. The thing that's been helping my scalp the most is changing the way I eat. The products are after the fact to maintain my healthy scalp, but if I wouldn't have changed how I eat and me drinking more water, I don't think my scalp will be where it's at. And my scalp is not perfect, but you got, if you guys seen old videos, I will be flaking everywhere. Like, the flakes would just be there. I went to the doctor for it. I don't have anything severe. It's just dry scalp, and it was due to the way I was eating. So right now my scalp, it's not the cleanest. I had a ponytail. This is my week old hair, but you guys can see, like, I'm not just dropping. Even if I would have been doing that, like just opening my scalp, it would have been flakes everywhere. So I still get a little dry, but nowhere near how my hair used to be at all. I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, wash my hair, and get out and do this treatment. For the repair, you just, after conditioner, you apply a generous amount from roots to end, and then leave on for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So I'm gonna come back and do this after I get out the shower and shampoo and condition. So I did just wash my hair. I just used this, and my hair feels pretty good. It does feel lightweight. I use my same shampoo and conditioner I always use. Good. I don't know how this will really work until I use it a few more times, but right now my hair does feel pretty good. It's lightweight, which I like to feel once I use a product. I don't like it to feel like it's something still on my head, like on my hair, or my hair won't perform well, like when I'm styling it. So with this hair overnight scalp, this you can use when your hair is wet or dry. So I'm going all the way down, then I'm like releasing the product as I come back up. And I'm wearing a U-part wig this week coming up. So today is Friday. So for the rest of the week until probably next Friday or the weekend when I wash my hair again. So I'm kind of putting a generous amount of this. I really want to see how it works. And I probably will braid my hair for my U part later on this evening. So I'll come back later on to show you guys how it really made my hair feel throughout the day. And I'm just going to let my hair air dry. I normally blow dry, but I'm just going to let it air dry. So this how much is in the tube, in the dropper. And I'm going to put one just across the back, because the back of my hair can be really itchy from me sweating and working out. Make sure I'm getting... So I'm not even going to rub it in or anything. I'm just going to go in with this. Ooh, y'all, this feels so good. Ooh. I feel like I'm going to use this every wash day. This stimulating your scalp is very important because it moves the blood around. I feel like this will also lift anything that's on the scalp. If you have like problem areas of thinning or anything, I would suggest to kind of focus on those areas also. Like if your edges are thin, get that blood flowing. So my hair is almost dry, you guys. I did just put a little of my normal styling products in there and some heat protectant. So I'm going to blow dry my hair. My hair feels good. It feels like weight. My scalp is clean. I'm happy that my hair has grown out from my relaxer just a little bit, because it just styles better when it's just a little bit more texture on it. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair and prep it, braid it down, and you guys are going to watch that for me to prep it for my U-part wig, which I just got right here, and I just washed it. So I'm going to be cute for the week. So continue to watch. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll be back once I prep my hair. I think I'm going to start to let my hair air dry, probably 80 to 90%, and then blow dry. It just blow dry so much quicker. You guys can see my scalp is pretty clear and clean. So far this is working good.
About me, I'm just bad girl, and bad for everybody. And baby girl, don't tell your friends. Black nigga with her neck tat, respect that. Old bitch, she ain't like that. She left that drop. Brand new, can't even get a hold with her nigga pose with a man like that. Smooth nigga doing rap. No girl, 5 stars, she an actress. She's so used to the light, so plastic. But I leave LA like magic. Spit rapping, no class, just glasses. The thing happy, then I told her, baby, fall in love. Ooh, fall in love. Wish I never made it. I feelings that I be coolin' with. Hooligan, girl, I told you I ain't one to foolin' with. Not communicating, but I get that from my mama. It's a jungle of gorillas. Why you fuck with anacondas? I'm a Zulu Nation rapper. Get the hammer like your honor. Keep it moving for my partners. Ain't no hoopin' in me, Casa ain't no hoopin'. She just bouncing at the juicy, but I'm fine to got the juice. And then I lost it out for 2 of my deposit last week. But I made that cat week. Fact sheet, hey, do not fall in love with that nigga rap sheet. Hey, you know I'm this out here really tryna pass me. Hey, young sister roll, keep that ish nasty. Hey, I don't know about them, but I do love. This right here, this that groove love. Hey, so what happened to love? It's inside the shoot, kitchen new. Hey.